Uncle Chris is crawling with Miles, and Miles is in the lead behind him. Yes. Uncle, here comes Miles, and there's Ava Girl, just before nap time.
All right, here we go. Let's get the truck going back this way now. Ready, Miles? You ready? Now he's got this down and he's ready to go. Here we go, go. All right, here we go.
We can name it Miles with the truck.
David, you want to go too?
And Heather, we can call this Miles and Ava with their truck.
Yes, we could.
How we doing, Smiles?
And then with another.
You got it, huh?
I think I'm gonna get a close up of Miles.
Here we go.
And there's Daddy. Daddy shows him. You better watch out for your feet there, Miles, Mommy. Better watch out for your feet, Mommy.
All right, Smiles. Good job. There's a truck right down there. Let's go for another. Well, let's send the truck toward Ava.
Here, I'll send it. You want to try?
Here we go.
We can name it Miles and Ava with a truck.
Here we go, Smiles. Here comes the truck.
Ready?
We can do that back and forth, right? There's the truck going to Miles.
Hey, Miles, you got the truck.
Here we go. Here we go. Go push this down.